Welcome to proposed passenger terminal at Cherlapally. The facility is proposed to decongest the existing 3 terminals at Secunderabad, Kachiguda and Hyderabad. Sanctioned cost is Rs 221.15 crores. New terminal will have a circulating area of 800 meter long and 30 meter wide. It will have 3-storied new station building of total area 3,900 square meter with escalators. It will have 4 additional high-level platforms with 4 passenger terminating lines and other end maintenance facility built into it, including COPs of 1600 square meters, 2 connecting footway bridges of length 200 meter each with 9 lifts, 5 escalators, stairs and ramps are also provided. A boot laundry of 2000 square meters for linen washing is also provided. The facility will have 4 full-length pit lines for rake maintenance and other ancillary facilities like IOH shed, open gantry, bio toilet, service building, etc. The new facilities are integrated with the existing passenger and MMTS platforms for maximum benefit to rail users. This will also have automatic coach washing plant at the entry of terminal along with sewage treatment plant and effluent treatment plant for water recycling.